So today we are going to learn what the difference is between these two notes, F and F sharp. So I'm introducing to you what this symbol means in piano. Its official name is a sharp sign, and on the piano it means to the right. Actually, to be more specific, it is one key to the right. For example, if you see this note, that's an F. So you should know where C is, right? Two black keys, this is C. C, D, E, F. So this is F. But if they put a sign next to the F, then now it becomes F sharp. So don't play F when you see this. Play F sharp because this is one unit. But if you see this by himself, then it's an F. Okay, another way would be, can you play me a C? So C, well, can you play me a C sharp? So you know C sharp is one key to the right. So it's this one, right? Because some people might say it's this, because one key to the right, but which is closer? This one. So it's one key closest. That would be the sharp. So C, what is the closest key to the C? Is it this one? Or is it this one? It's this one. So C sharp. Okay, let's pick a G, right? So this is C, D, E, F, G. So this is G. Let's play C sharp, G sharp. So which is G sharp? One key closest to the right. So is it this one or is it this one? Well, this one is touch a little bit closer. So this is G sharp. How about let's do D sharp. So this is D. So D sharp would be one key closest to the right. So not this, but this one. How about let's find the E sharp. So let's find E. So this is E. Okay, what is E sharp? So E sharp would be one key closest to the right. So it's this. So this happens to have another name, which is F, but it's also E sharp. So officially, this is E sharp and F. How about let's try B? B as in boy. So we know this is C, right? A, B, C. So this is B. This is B. So let's find B sharp. So one key closest to the right would be this. So B sharp happens to also be a C. So that's how you find your sharps. Now, that would be pretty much the core of the lesson on sharps. But I just want to add that how do you know that this sign is pointing to this or some other notes? Because sometimes you have a cluster of notes. How do you know if it's meaning it's to this note here or that note there? So first of all, it's always right next to the note on the left side. But also, you know, this symbol in the middle, there's that square. Wherever the square lands, that note will be sharped. So in this case, the square lands on where the F normally would be. So we know it's an F sharp. So if someone were to write something like this, where does the square land? Let's fill it in. The square lands on the line, right? On this line. So normally a note on this would be a G. So then this becomes a G sharp. Okay, let's do another one. If something like this, even if they don't put a note next to it, what would you think this sharp would be? Well, the square lands here, And for those people who know that if you put a note on this line, this happens to be an F. You know, there are many Fs because you have 88 keys here, right? So there are many Fs. So this is one F, and there's another F high up there, okay? And that's this one. So having said that, do you see all these Fs that you have to play? So F sharp, sorry, all these F sharps you have to play. So F sharp, F sharp, F sharp. So another F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, A, D, E, F. Now that's a lot of F sharp symbols. So sometimes to make things look easier and maybe to save some ink and paper and trouble, composers then would get lazy on writing out all the symbols. And what they will do is, if they know it's going to be a lot of F sharps, you know, and so what they do is then they put a symbol at the beginning of the music of this line. They put a sharp sign there. And this symbolizes, if you see F, please play F sharp. And how do we know it's F and not E or G or C? Because if we were to see where the square lands on where the F, if you were to put a note here, land on where the F normally would be. So now instead of looking like this, now it looks like this. It's just a lot cleaner. Also, it saves paper. So instead of 2 pages, now it's just 1 page. And just a lot cleaner. But the downside of this is you have to remember every time you see F, it's an F sharp. Okay, I'll see you in the next lesson. If you have anything that you wish to learn in under 5 minutes, please comment below and I will do my best. Thank you.